Hello, good day. Today we are going to be talking about the overview on the School Connect app. So on my screen here is your dashboard, and under the learning center on your dashboard you have the senior secondary and the junior secondary section, which we will be talking about today. So let's say we're working on the senior secondary section. I tap on that, and then it brings me to this page where I have the list of the subjects, all of them. And then let's say we're working on physics. So physics, I have term 1, all the topics in physics for term 1, term 2, all the topic for physics for term 2, and then term 3, all the topics in physics for term 3 under SS1, right? If you go to SS2, the topics will change and all of that. If you go to SS3, the topics will change as well. SS3 has 2 terms. Now if you come to tutorials, it has all the videos on the physics for you. So let's go back to SS1 and then select one of the topic in physics. So let's say we're working on motion in nature. I select motion in nature, and then it brings me to this page where I have the past questions on this particular topic, and then if I scroll down I have the video tutorials on that topic. Do you understand? So let's try something now. By the time I select start CBT exam, it brings out 2 options to either do the study mode or the exam mode. So for the study mode is for you to practice as a student, you practice, and then once you're very confident and sure you are good to go, you can then go ahead and try the exam mode, then grade yourself. So let's try the study mode. So the study mode has 30 questions. We're going to pick at random and then submit. Which of the following is a scalar quantity? It gives you the answer and then the explanation here. I go next. The answer and the explanation as well. So you just select your answers, you read through and you understand the answers. So let's say I want to jump to a question. Beneath here you have your arrow key and you have jump to. So for the purpose of this training or this video, I'm going to skip to the last part of the training of the questions, and then it brings out question 30 for me. Which type of motion is exhibited by a pendulum, right? So once you've gotten to the last question, it tells you, like, it submits for you, and then you view your corrections. See, all of this, because I skipped all these ones, are not, I did not choose any answer. Do you understand? Down to the last, and once you're done, you come here to where you have mark topic as completed. Then you start assessment. So the past question we did before was for study, and then you come here and start assessment. Now the assessment, you are timed. Do you understand? You are timed. This is an hour, and then you go through. Once you say okay, let's pick a random and submit. What should be increased to accelerate an object in motion? Go through, pick a random, and then because of our time I'll have to jump to the last question number 30, and then I submit, view corrections, just like we did earlier. come down and see the ones you failed, the ones you got, and then you take corrections. So once you're done with that, come out here. Under this page you have share performance report, or you mark as completed. So you can always retake your assessment. Once you unmark as completed, you will start the assessment again. So before we go to share performance report, let's tap on the video tutorials to see how it works. So if I come here, it brings me to this page where I have a video in motion in nature, and the video will play. This is the video, and at the end of the day, go through the video and explain how it works on this particular topic.
Hello and welcome to another session, physics. In this session, we will be looking at motion in nature. But before that, let us review the previous lesson. Welcome back. Now let's try to define what we mean by motion.
So that's how the videos work. At the end of the day, before you can take your tests, before you can study your past question, you can go through the videos and understand what the tutor is talking about on that particular topic. And once you're done, you can then go ahead and take your assessment. Very easy and simple to use. The app is very seamless. So let's say I am ready to share my assessments or my performance report. I tap on this page, see, and then I can share. Do you understand? It gives you the number of tutorials watched is 1, correct answer is 1, wrong answers are 29. So once I'm done, I can share to WhatsApp. I can save, or I can just tap on it directly and it take me to wherever I want to share it to. So that brings us to the end of our tutorials today. Thank you.